Good morning. Are you Justice Larzo?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Larzo, in cause number 26 DCCR 0770, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of obstruction or retaliation from March 8th of 2026. Your indictment alleges that you were previously convicted of assault on a peace officer and assault on a public servant on October 12th of 2023, both of those cases on the same day, which means if you go to trial and are found guilty in these cases, or this case, and those prior offenses are true, that means you would be considered a second-degree felony for punishment, which is between 2 years up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand all of that?
You can repeat that for me?
What part of it do you not understand?
The first part,
What you're charged with?
the part where you said,
So here's the thing. You're charged with obstruction or retaliation.
correct.
The offense date is March 8th of 2026,
Cool.
and that's a third-degree felony.
Correct.
The indictment also shows me that you were already convicted of 2 other felonies on the same day. What that means is if those are true, or at least one of them is true, it would enhance your punishment in this case to a second-degree felony, which means if you go to trial, you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 20 years instead of 2 to 10. Do you understand?
Listen,
Sure.
what it says is if you convicted, if you catch the case, 2 of the cases at the same time, then that would be consist of the enhancements. If you put both of those charges at the same time, I didn't catch those charges at the same time, even though I was convicted at the same time because they ran a CC.
Here's the thing. It only matters on one of them, right? Because the fact that they were run CC is what makes this enhanced by 1 instead of turning it into a habitual. So I'm only counting it like it's 1, right? So let's just assume you have 1 prior conviction. It doesn't matter if you have 1 or 2 or 14 from the same day, the same conviction day. It only will enhance this 1 level, which means from a third degree to a second degree, just like I said. Make sense? Okay. So
I'm sorry to interrupt,
Sure.
if I may.
Yes.
For the benefit of the defendant, I've tendered that pen pack to Mr. Rojas. The convictions are on the same day, but for the actual same type of offense. And in this instance, he threatened to murder a police officer, which is why the offer is what it is. And for his benefit, I also tend to introduce a punishment where available by the rules of evidence, the misdemeanor and juvenile contacts with the law that he has had as well.
all right. Thank you, Ms. Malfino. So you've had an opportunity to visit with Mr. Rojas about your case. And Mr. Rojas, do y'all have an announcement?
Judge, I was speaking with Mr. Larzo yesterday. I think his intention is to come here this morning and ask for a new lawyer. I explained to him the way to get a new lawyer is to reject the offer and set it for trial, because I think that was originally his intention. He, however, didn't want to sign any paperwork with me.
Because I haven't got an offer. You haven't gave me an offer. You said 5-year cap. I don't know what that is. That's not an offer. If you offer me 5 years TDC or you offer me 5 years probation, you didn't say which one. So when I get an offer, I'll let you know. I don't know what the offer is.
Sounds like the offer was a 5-year cap. Is that correct,
That's the
Mr.
offer.
Rojas? And I'm sure Mr. Rojas explained to you what a cap is.
Yeah, he just said I can't get more than 5 years.
Right.
Okay, so what is the offer? How many years? 5 years TDC?
So it's up to me. So if you sign for a cap, and I'm sure Mr. Rojas explained this to you, it's a way for you to try to come to me and say, give me less than 5. I could give you 5, 4, 3, 2, or I could consider probation. It would all depend on the information that I received at a sentencing hearing. But if I follow the agreement, I couldn't give you more than 5. So it's something where it's not for sure. You have an opportunity to ask for something within that range. Does
I'm
that
trying to handle this today.
what?
I would like to take care of this today.
Well, talk to your attorney and listen to what he has to say. And if y'all want to take care of it today, then there's some paperwork that you have to go over with and sign, and then we'll go forward. All right? You can go back with the bailiff. All right, Mr. Larzo, what's going on?
But ma'am, I'm going ahead. I want to question the lawyer. He's not representative.
Here's the thing. You don't get to do that. So here's where we are. Mr. Rojas is a great lawyer. He's not, just because
Can I speak?
Nope, not while I'm talking. I already gave you an opportunity earlier, and I'm going to give you an opportunity in a minute, but I want you to listen carefully to what I have to say first, okay? Mr. Rojas is telling you what the district attorney's office is offering. You don't have to like it. It doesn't mean he's a bad attorney. And another attorney is not going to come get a different offer.
Okay.
So, Ms. Malfino, is there any reason that you would know of that offer that you have made would change?
No, it will only go up.
So you're where you are. So either you accept that offer or we set your case for trial. Once your case is set for, hang on,
I want a new lawyer. I don't.
hold on. I understand, but listen,
You want to let me speak, man? Please, can I speak? Please?
I'm going to let you speak, but I'm going to give you what your options are, okay?
I just want. All I want is a effect. What I'm saying, you trying to say trial, this and that. I haven't even seen my discovery evidence. You saying he's a good lawyer, but he haven't even shown me no evidence. So on my case, how can you speak and say he already told me the other day that he working for the DA? He
I'm
already
sure
said. I said you haven't. He have not one asked me what happened. He haven't even got my side of the story. Have you got my side of the story? Have I told you what happened in this case? Can you tell this person what I told you?
Mr. Larzo, you're not in charge and you're
I'm
not
not
asking
saying I'm not in
questions.
charge, but what I'm saying is, how can he say he can represent me and he's ain't done nothing but come to me and say the DA said this, the police report said this. He has not.
That's the evidence. That's what he's telling you the evidence is what's in.
That's what the police report said, but he hasn't asked me my side.
And here's the thing. Your side is important if if you didn't do it, what his job is to tell you this is the evidence they have against you. You can take this deal, or if you say you didn't do it, you can go to trial. So if you're saying you didn't do it, then let's get a jury to determine if you did it or not.
I haven't seen no police report. I haven't seen no body cam footage. I haven't seen no evidence to where I can tell you if I'm ready to go to trial.
Is there media in this
Judge,
case?
as Mr. Rojas does in every case, he has requested and reviewed the discovery well in advance.
Let's do this. Do you have some media?
Judge, I have requested the media. What I told Mr. Larzo yesterday when he told me he wanted to watch the video, I told him we could reset the date to look at the video. He just said he didn't want to do that. He just wanted to come in and ask for a new lawyer.
I want to, because you now represent me effectively. You come to me and tell me the DA said this.
Mr. Larzo, he's just said that yesterday he would bring the video. Don't talk over me. He would bring the video for you to watch. I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks. He's going to bring the information. You can watch it and you can make your decision. The offer is what the offer is. The DA's already said that. I don't care if you take it or if you don't take it. Take it, fine. Don't take it. We'll get your case set for trial. You need to be respectful. Mr. Rojas is going to get out there, show you everything. You don't get to keep copies of things by law. He doesn't get to hand you a police report and you keep it. That's part of the law. So he can go over that with you, read what it says to you, show you the video, and then you can make your decision. Go back with the bailiff.
When I ask a question,
Nope, I'm done today. Go back with the
I'm not
bailiff.
understanding how you can give somebody 4 years for an aggravated charge
Let's go.
and try to offer me 5 years for non-aggravated.
Let's go.